Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add emojis in Google Sheets, and trust me, that's gonna be a very quick tutorial. It's easy and simple. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. And before I start, I just gotta tell you there's actually two ways how to add emojis in Google Sheets. So let's start with the first one. The first one is by searching emojis in Google. So let's search for some, and search for emojis and click on the first link, and from here you have a big amount of emojis, and you can choose some. Let's say this one. I like this one. So now I copy it and pass it here, and as you can see, that's how to add emojis by searching some in Google. That was the first way, but the second way is actually more easier. So the first way is by right clicking here on your task bar, and now you need to allow show touch keyboard button from here, and when you allow it, it appears this keyboard next to your keyboard language here, and now just open it and click on this emoji here, and from here you can add some emojis. But wait, you need to select the cell, and as you can see, we can add emojis. So that was the tutorial. That was how to add emojis in Google Slides. I told you it's easy, it's not complicated. Just that was it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video in the comments, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.